Sanyo nasi baya. Ay, thode chikna budra pai de. Oh, say.
My. You can see this all are Arunachal mountain. This is called Coxie, my middle name. Also this one also, this all are fish trap. So friends, there's a beautiful lake bridge, and this is another lake bridge. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Macho Maza. So today we'll be going toward Arunachal Pradesh on my Jawanika Jos, and after that I'm gonna film all the exciting things and I'm gonna show it to you. So let's see how this video will end. This is the way to Arunachal, so we are going towards that direction, and this is an awesome view from the roadside. So friends, on our way we've come across this beautiful signboard. It says Jungle Park and Camp Nameri. So we thought of visiting this place. So this is the way towards the park, so we'll be going towards that direction. So we are here. This is my friend's mother. Her name is Arunit's mother. So she is there in the photo. So we will be entering to this beautiful park. Per head 30 rupees. So friends, right now I am roaming inside the jungle park, and you can see here this place is too bushy, and you can see there is a line which protect this park from wild animal, especially elephant. In this particular area you will find lots of wild elephant, so they are notorious around this area. They have damaged lots of property. So this is a beautiful herd where I am at, and this is a lake, and it is connected with motor, I think to pump water or something like that. And this is a lake bridge. It's quite peaceful out here. There is no one but except us. So friends, there's a beautiful lake bridge, and this is another lake bridge, and I'm gonna explore this. Okay, this is the condition of this park. It's quite beautiful. It has so many beautiful trees, and it gives lots of good vibe. And there is a bird. I think this is man-made lake. So I thought of exploring this place. So I'm here right now, and after this I'll go towards Arunachal. So right now I'm going to see that beautiful nursery. So let's see what is there in the nursery. So right now I'm in Assam, so that's why everything is written in Assamese, and it is fern conservation. So I think in this nursery we'll be able to see the different type of ferns. It is about to die, I guess. And here is different kind of fern. Wow, these ferns are quite beautiful. I don't know the name of this fern, but it looks awesome. Different varieties of fern. This is local fern. Nice fern. I think this all fern are native to this place, but I haven't seen all of this fern in the forest, but I have seen some of the ferns. So this is bigger fern which is growing now. Yeah, this fern is beautiful. You can see the shoot is coming out. So this was the fern conservation nursery. So friends, right now I'm here in nursery Erod conservation. So we're gonna explore some Erod species. So this is Erod, this is Erod. So these all are Erod species, and you can see it is beautifully made. I think in future this park will be popular because of these beautiful flowers and beautiful plants. It's quite nice actually. They have maintained it properly, but right now it is still in developing phase, so that's why there is not much to see. So friends, this is for children. This is for children section. They can climb here and they can just stumble upon from there. They can just fall like pandas or something like that. And these are some kind of seesaw, and there is a beautiful chair, and there is a slide. It's nice. There is a seesaw, I guess. Seesaw, but it is for single person. Should I try this? Let's see. Oh no, it is just fun for kids, not for me. So I really like the seesaw. It's quite beautiful. So this is a beautiful place. I didn't see. Yakro mai mana? Tala. Asami sumai macam? So these are the things is there. So friends, this is a bamboo sieve, and these are some of the bamboo artifact which local people they use. And this is a bird cage, and this is for trapping fish. So this is fish trap also. This one also, this one also. This all are fish trap. So this is a big fish trap, and you can see this is called Coxie, my middle name. So Nuke Sangma. So K for Coxie. Traditional daily use equipments. So these are equipments as they have written here, and this is some of the instrument they use to wave clothes and all. So this is a traditional granary, and here is a swimming pool which is dry, and I think during summer season there will be a lots of water, but right now it is empty. So these are the small bridge, or you can say culvert. So this is called culvert, and it lets the water out from here to there. It's nice. So friends, basically this place has two lake bridge and one swimming pool and children park, small children park where children can play, and it has beautiful like old museum about local tradition, like what they use, what kind of equipment they use, and they have wooden cabin. If you want, you can rent out here. Just search the name in Google, I think you might get there. And yeah, and beautiful two nursery about the fern and Erod conservation or something like that. So this park has only these two things, and it is a nice park. Yeah, you should visit this place, and it is awesome. So let's head back towards our journey, that is Arunachal. So this is my Jawanika Jaws with what I'm traveling. I think you have seen my previous videos. Wow!
जाने होना सी भैया आई थोड़े चिकना बुलरा भाई दे
There are monkeys everywhere. Wow. You can see that small monkey is on the tree. So many monkeys. They are having banana. I didn't bring anything to feed them, and that is one monkey on the tree. Nice. So friends, right now we are here inside the Arunachal Pradesh, and this is Bhalukpong helipad. Before used to roam here, but now it is all sealed. And that is Arunachal Mountains, and this is a Catholic church, Saint Mary Catholic Church, Bhalukpong. So friends, right now I am here in Buruli river, and it is a very beautiful river. You can see it is located like 1 kilometer and 1.5 kilometers away from Bhalukpong, and it is a beautiful road. You can see, and there's a beautiful road. So I'm gonna show you the Buruli river properly. So friends, this is a tributary of Brahmaputra river, Buruli.
oh say
Mai.
मैं जोक्सोली किस लिए जोक्सोला से चंपते
That is called waterfall. So friend, that is the road, and this is the forest of Arunachal Pradesh. And here you can see elephant and its babies crossing. So this place is elephant prone area, and we are going towards that direction. So friends, right now we decided to go and check the Buruli river, and right now you can see this is a beautiful road towards the river. So friend, you can see this all are Arunachal mountain, and it is wide open, and it is very big, huge. I feel very puny out here because the mountain here are large, humongous, and you can see he is cleaning the river. So friends, now I'm going to wash my face again because I need to wash it again because it's very hot. So friends, we were there, and right now we are here. This is a beautiful sand beach. You can see, wow, and those are the river currents. So cold, so peace. Water is freezing. Oh, wow, so nice. So friends, just now I came from the river and I plunged my head on the river and I sat there for a few minutes, and it was so calm and so tranquil that I feel like staying here for more minutes, but I have to go to other places too, so I couldn't stay there for longer, and it was very calming experience. I'll be going towards my next destination, so let's see where is that next destination. I'm just driving towards the Arunachal road, and let's see what happens. Elephant dung. So friends, this is my last destination, and after that I'll go back my home. And you can see it is a beautiful river, Brahmaputra river, and the road is very good. And you can see behind me, it has a very steep mountain. And here, when you see in the other side, you'll be able to see a tree. Yes, the tree. It is just like white line throughout the forest. So you can see these trees and all. It's just like white line, and it looks awesome when you see from the far. You can see the color of the river is all green, and there is a small rapid. And I think if we could have gone to that place, it would have been very good, but unfortunately we can't cross the river because the river is very big. So this is the last destination of our journey for today. Arunachal mountains, most of the mountain is covered with banana and bamboo. And you can see some of the fern which we have seen in the nursery is out there in the forest. And you can see this is the forest part where most of the human they never cross. So you'll be able to see the forest is all covered with banana tree and that big fern, and these are local forest trees, and it's awesome. We came here to see the waterfall, but right now all the water is dry because of winter season, and you can see some little water is coming. So right now this water is empty. I hope someday I will be able to see full water coming out from that mountain. So we're gonna head towards our destination. This is Tippi river, and it is going to contribute in Brahmaputra river, and it looks awesome. This is Tippi village, second village after Bhalukpong. They are going to start their rafting, so this is the starting point of the rafting, and they will go from here to the Nameri National Park to that way. And this is a huge river, Brahmaputra river. I hope you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed the way I enjoyed. So see you in next video.